again, guys. Now we've just smashed that white one and that yellow one, and now we've got this is I forgot what year it was, a 1980s Renault 11, I think it was. So looks indestructible. I'll take the tape off. That'll work. Done that there. Harley, pull that off my hand. You're now in the video. Yeah. Don't shout around, Harley.
Okay.
They just fall out of that? Yep, they did. Wheel destruction. I don't know where they. No, don't smash that one yet. We're doing those later. Like in a minute off this one. I don't know where the wheels is. So that's what it looks like now. Oh, there are the wheels. There's the.
Smash this up.
I've got a bit mess to clean up afterwards. And then go and look, see if you can find the wheels.
Alright. Find one wheel. Find one wheel.
And I think we'd say that's pretty not looking like a toy car anymore. So I think we can end with that one. So thanks for watching. Bye.